Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? In today's video, I wanted to show you what we picked up at the local Asian market. I just found out about this Asian market, so I figured I'd go and check it out. And I'll tell you, we found some really, really great things. Their produce was awesome. And I picked up some things that I've honestly never heard of before, but I never met a vegetable I didn't like. So, have you ever heard of bitter melon? Never heard of a bitter melon. What about this? Thai eggplant? No, me neither. Or how about long squash? Never heard of it. So I got some lo mein noodles. Got some of these. Love these rice crackers. Every time we get like any kind of a snack mix and these things are in it, these are the first things I always eat. So I was able to find these. So I got these. And then I got some really, really good sauces to cook with. I got a ginger sauce, hoisin sauce, which is in a lot of Chinese foods, lemongrass sauce, lo mein sauce, peanut sauce, and then pure sesame oil. So if you've ever wanted to go to an Asian market, I highly suggest you do it. I didn't pick up any bags of rice or anything because we do have a lot of rice here already. But the next time that I do go, I will be picking some up because I did check out the prices, and the prices are actually much, much lower than if I were to go to like Walmart or Target or even Sam's Club. The prices are actually much, much lower. So, and I did check out their, their meat department, and the prices are much, much lower than going to, like I said, Walmart. I don't know if they're cheaper than Aldi. They could be, but that might be debatable. They're probably in comparison with Aldi. So I just wanted to show you what I picked up at the local Asian market, and I'm so happy that I went there today. They really, really have a wonderful variety of food. So I will be going back there again and again. And this actually cost me $77. So it's a lot cheaper buying my produce there than Walmart or Target or even Aldi, really. So because I'll tell you, these are actually hard to find. These sugar snap peas, these are hard to find in any other store. And as well as these snow peas, these are hard to find as well in any store. So, and these are actually two of my favorite vegetables. So I'm really happy that I went because I got those. So, and then I'm eager to try that long squash, the Thai eggplant, and this bitter melon. I'm eager to try those. So I will be making up some delicious stir fries and letting you know how they taste. So, yeah. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, keep prepping, and as always, fear less.